everyone. Okay, in order to access the sim, you have to log into your Amplify Science, which you can locate in your class link. So you click on Amplify, and it shall take you here. So I'm going to go to the beginning so you understand. You should have all of this. You're going to select Populations and Resource. And then you're going to go to this 3-line here. You're going to scroll down to Population and Resource Sim. You're going to click on it. Okay, it's going to ask you, are you using an iPad? No, because you're using Chromebook, so it should say automatically no. From there, you're going to choose your ecosystem. Okay, there are going to be instructions you're going to follow. So depending on what your instructions are exactly what you're going to follow. Please slow down and don't forget to write down what is going on or take notes. Have fun. Do your best. Thank you.